students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself Madhu. So my YouTube channel is Science Maths Academy 2023. In this YouTube channel you will get everything about class 10th math science. So tricky methods, old question papers will be solved, new question papers, new model papers will be solved. So everything will be get in only one channel. So please like my videos, share my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Any doubt is there, please comment in the comment box. Thank you. Hi everyone. In the previous video we have answered our environment previous year question paper from 1 to 15. Now in this video we are going to answer from question number 16 to question number 32. So now let us answer the 16th question. Ozone layer is formed from oxygen at the higher trophic level of the atmosphere by the action of. So ozone layer is formed from oxygen at the higher trophic level of the atmosphere by the action of ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಈ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ by the action of ultraviolet radiations. So now let us answer 16th. The answer for the 16th question is option B, that is UV radiation. Next, question number 17. So a product that can no more be used for the original purpose but use it for some other useful purpose. So adana repurpose anta kariತೀವಿ. So now let us answer the 17th question, option D, that is repurpose. Now let us answer question number 18. Which of the following is the biodiversity hotspot? That is forest. Because in forest we can see from micro to macro organisms. So option D, that is forest, is the answer. Now let us move question number 19. That is a group that contain only biodegradable substance among the following is. So ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ನಾಲ್ಕರಲ್ಲಿ biodegradable ಯಾವುದಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ, so which can get decay: wood, grass, leather. So for 19th question the right option is C. So now let us move for question number 20. So question number 20, the correct statement with respect to biodegradable substances among the following these substance. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 20th ಕ್ವಶನ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ 20th, ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Now let us move for the 21st question. A student does not use the plastic straws given by the shopkeeper while drinking tender coconut juice. The measure taken by him related to the conservation of environment is refusing the plastic. So plastic na refuse mada ಮೂಲಕ, so it helps in conservation of environment. So for 21st question the right answer is option D. Now let us move for the 22nd question. So 22nd question ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. So 22nd question is the materials that change slowly their form and structure in the environment are, that is option A, plant fibers. So 23rd question. So now let us answer the 23rd ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? So ecosystem ನಲ್ಲಿ, so what is the role of decomposers ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. The role of decomposers ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ, so first one, the role of decomposers, so it converts complex substances into simple substances. It converts complex substances into simple substances. ಒಂದು. ಎರಡನೇದು, it increases the fertility of the soil. It increases the fertility of the soil by degrading the material. Then third one is, so that is it helps in recycling. So these are the uses of decomposers. Now let us move for question number 24th. Write any two differences between biodegradable and non-biodegradable substances. So now let us answer this question. So difference between biodegradable and non-biodegradable. One kade biodegradable, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು kade non-biodegradable. The conversion of complex into simple by biological process. So conversion of complex into simple, not by biological process. Then the second difference is, so it causes less pollution. It causes more pollution. It remains less time. It remains less time in the environment. It remains more time. It remains more time in the environment. So ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಒಂದು internal choice question ಇದೆ. Now let us answer that one. That is write a grassland food chain and name the different trophic level in it ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So let us answer this question. So write a grassland food chain ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. So grassland food chain ನ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ grasshopper, frog, snake. So different trophic level andre first trophic level, second trophic level, third trophic level and fourth trophic level. Next 25th ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. The flow of energy in ecosystem is unidirectional ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So now let us answer that question. So unidirectional ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. So question number 25th. So ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, the energy that is captured by autotrophs does not revert back to the solar input. ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ನೇದು. ಎರಡನೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು, the energy which passes to the herbivorous do not come back to autotrophs. Third point, as energy moves progressively through the various trophic levels, through the various trophic level, it is no longer available to the previous level. Then the last point is, fourth point is, at different levels, energy is lost in the form of heat. So this is the answer for 25th question. Now let us move for 26th question. So 26th question ge hogana. The 26th question ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. That is, atmospheric layer that absorbs ultraviolet radiation coming from the sunlight is made up of this molecule. So ಯಾರು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ, that is O3 molecule, O3. That is for 26th question. The right answer is option C. Now let us move for question number 27. So question number 27 already answer ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. That is, what is the role of decomposers in an ecosystem? So ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. So it converts complex substances into simple substances. It increases the fertility of the soil, and it helps in recycling. So this is the role of decomposers. Now let us move for question number 28. So question number 28 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. What is trophic level? Flow of energy in ecosystem is unidirectional. Why? Explain. So ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿವಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೋಫಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್? Each level of food chain is called trophic level. ಈಗ ಅದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ, ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ, ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇನ್ ಎಕೋಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂನಿಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್. ವೈ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಆಟೋಟ್ರೋಪ್ಸ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿವರ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ದಿ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್. ದ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾಸಸ್ ಟು ದ herbivores do not come back to autotrophs. As energy moves progressively through the various trophic level, it is no longer available to the previous level. Then at different levels, energy is lost in the form of heat. So this is the answer for, that is 28th question. Now let us move for question number 29. So question number 29 ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಇನ್ ಎನಿ ಫುಡ್ ಚೈನ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಹರ್ಬಿವೋರಸ್ಸೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫಾರ್ ದ 29th question, the right option is option B, herbivorous. Next, let us move for question number 30. Nowadays, chlorofluorocarbon, that is CFC free refrigerator are being manufactured. Why ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ CFC ಫ್ರೀ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ, because it protects us from harmful UV radiation coming from the sun. So that is the answer for 30th question. Now let us move for 31st question. What is biological magnification? So biological magnification ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ. The process of accumulation of The process of accumulation of toxic substances. The process of accumulation of toxic substances at each trophic level. The process of accumulation of toxic substances at higher trophic level. At higher trophic level is called as biological magnification, or it is also called as biomagnification. So now let us move for question number 32 and the last question. Mention any two effects on non-biodegradable substances on the environment ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದರೂ ಎರಡು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಯೇನೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಮೊದಲನೇ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. That is, it causes environment pollution. It causes environmental pollution. So it causes environmental pollution. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಈ the substance do not undergo natural recycling. The substance do not undergo natural recycling and remain inert in the environment. So ಇದರೊಳಗಡೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ಡ್ ವೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ವೇಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಎನಿ ಟೂ ಮೆಥಡ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಡ್ ವೈಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಎರಡು ಮೆಥಡ್, ಸೊ ಅದು ಈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಆಗೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ರಿಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಮೆಥಡಿಗೆ ಬರೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸೆಗ್ರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಡ್ರೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಡ್ರೈ ವೇಸ್ಟನ್ನು ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಇದು ಎರಡು. ಇನ್ನು ಮೂರನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೋಣ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ by converting them into manures. So reusing ಯಾರನ್ನ ವೆಟ್ ವೇಸ್ಟನ್ನ ಇಂಟು ಮೆನ್ಯೂರ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮೂರನೇದು. ಇನ್ನು ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರೆಯೋದಾದರೆ ಸೊ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ನಾವು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗೋದು ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ that is cotton and jute materials. So like this we have to answer this question. By this one we have completed our environment previous year question paper, what the questions they have asked. So thank you for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone for your great support. Thank you.